Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Murphy from the Upton Town Library. I just wanted to take a minute to make this video to tell you all about our December reading challenges that we have going on for the kids and teens. We have 2 printables that you can find either on our event calendar or on our no contact pickup table, which is set up in our gathering room. One is a December reading challenge for kids, the other is for teens. They look similar, but the challenges listed on each mug of cocoa is a little bit different, so be sure you pick the one that's appropriate for your kids. You're welcome to take both, but we're only giving one prize. So the prize for this month, once you've done your completed reading, is a do-it-yourself mug, and it comes with 2 different templates. One is one like this, and one is with the snowflakes. And all you need to do is complete at least 5 of the challenges on your sheet. You're welcome to do more, but we're just asking for 5, and hopefully it'll inspire you to do some different kinds of reading than you've done in the past, or maybe revisit some favorites. So once it's complete, be sure to have your name and contact information on the sheet. Drop it off in our drop box, either the one near our front door or the one that's set up in our gathering room near the no contact pickup table, and then I will arrange pickup of your prize. So have a lot of fun, read a lot, and challenge yourself. Bye everyone.